Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram not logging in. If you are using Instagram and your Instagram account is not logging in, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check, you have to make sure that have a stable internet connection, or you have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN. So go for settings, go for general, go for VPN device management. You have to make sure that you are not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with your VPN. And once you have disconnected, now you have to retry to open your Instagram, and here you have to retry to log in. Or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to go to App Store, go for search in the bottom right corner, and you have to simply search for Instagram. Then open Instagram app, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any update available, or if you have any update, try to update your Instagram app. Once you have updated, you have to retry to log in. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open up your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, look for Instagram app, try to offload your app. Tap on this offload option, then tap on offload app. And once your app has been offloaded, you have to tap on reinstall app. And once you have that, your app will be reinstalled on your phone. So once your app has been completely reinstalled, you can easily choose your Instagram without any issue, because sometimes it might be that there will be any bug into your Instagram app. So in this step, all of bugs will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Instagram do not log in. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.